The rich tradition of braided rugs is alive and well in Harwich, Massachusetts. Cape Cod Braided Rug Company is this week's real find. Colonial settlers created braided rugs by hand out of everything from yarn to scraps of old clothes. These rugs are being made by machines at Cape Cod Braided Rug Company in Harwich, Massachusetts. Owner Tom Benton explains.
We do braided rugs mechanically, which is not like your grandmother, but it's done on machines, and it's been done since 1910 mechanically.
The company was first called Plainville Rug Company. Founder Romeo Paulus got the idea while working at a shoelace factory.
He had the envision that he could take the machines that he was making the shoelaces with, and he could take these machines and he could make them to make braided rugs.
The name became Cape Cod Braided Rug Company when the family moved in the early 1970s. Tom bought the company in 2007. The rugs have a traditional look, but they have a very modern flexibility. There are 23 designs and 120 colors to choose from. They're made using a double braiding system. The yarn comes in big bolts. First, 4 strands are wound together and put onto smaller spools.
And what that allows us to do is to take different colors and wind them together. So on this first spool that we're producing right now with the 4 ends, as we call them, we are taking 4 ends, 3 of them blue and 1 of them what we call an off-white, and we are winding those 4 together, and they come up onto the smaller spool like this.
17 of the smaller spools go into a machine that braids them.
What this does is produce a flat braid out of the smaller spools that we had made in the winding room.
3 strands of the flat braids are brought to a machine called the 3 carrier.
And here you see that we have 3 different colors on this 3 carrier, and that is braiding these 3 pieces together.
Tom says braiding the material twice makes the rugs more durable.
The sewer takes that rug, that long braid, and she has a stitching design pattern that tells her how big that rug should be.
The table that the rugs are sewn on has air blown up from below like an air hockey table to help the sewers move the rugs around. This type of rug is called Osterville. It's done in a hit-or-miss style where the colors are put in randomly. This one, called Hyannisport 2, uses color in a more deliberate way.
This design is a light to dark, where we've taken the lighter colors in the center and we work out to a much darker edge.
In this through color rug, 2 colors are used in each braid. Other colors are worked in as subtle accents. The ones with hooked rug pictures in the center are called cameos. All standard rugs at standard sizes are $12.50 per square foot. Custom rugs are $14 a square foot. The rug's enduring appeal makes Cape Cod Braided Rug Company a New England dream house real find.
Well, I think it's a throwback, it's a warm feeling, and it's a tradition that's been done for years and years, not only in New England, but throughout this country and other countries.
Cape Cod Braided Rug Company is located at 4 Great Western Road in Harwich, Massachusetts. The phone number is 508-432-3133. The website is capecodbraidedrug.com. Contact information for all of the companies whose work you saw today is on our website. It's nedreamhouse.com. And we always welcome your ideas. Our email address, dreamhouse@necn.com. Thanks for watching New England Dream House. I hope we gave you some good ideas. I'm Beth Shelburne. See you next time.